All right, so I'm going to go back and re-explain. I'm going to re-explain number 24 and 25, I think, because my time ran out on the last video and I was trying to rush it in. So 5 plus 3 squared plus 5 minus 4 times 2. So parentheses come first because we have to do PEMDAS. I'll write that down. So 5 minus 4 is 1, so I can replace that with 1, so I've done my parentheses. Exponents is next. 3 squared is 3 times 3, so that's 9. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it because it's getting a little messy and replace it with what I've got on there. I multiply and divide left to right, so I multiply over here and I get 2. And then I bring down everything else. And 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 2, and that's how I got 16. 25, it wants to know what do you add to it to get 0. So if I add these numbers, 16 plus 8 plus 28, that would get me 52. 52 is not the answer because I have to get to 0. So what would I add to 52 to get to 0? I'm going to do the opposite then, and I do negative 52. All right, let's see. Now, the short answer question is going to look similar to this. And it says use the scale to determine it. So it's a proportion. So 1 inch equals 2.5 feet. So I set mine up like that. And then I've got 1.5 inches. So I'm going to put it over here with the inches. And X would be here. So you're going to cross multiply and divide. So calculator, 1.5 times 2.5 is 3.75, and you divide it by 1, so you're still going to get 3.75. And we've got inches over here, so feet would be over here. So I've got to label it 3.75 feet. All right, 27, these are similar to your extended response. So angle A and B are supplementary, so that means they equal 180. And it says angle A is 2x and angle B is 3x. And I just said supplementary means 180. So we combine our like terms here, so that's 5x equals 180. And then you divide it by 5 to see what x is. So calculator, 180 divided by 5 is 36, so x is 36. We don't have x, we've got 2x and we've got 3x. So to figure out this one, you multiply 36 times 2. Calculators again, 36 times 2, so this one is 72, and that was angle A. And we do 36 times 3, and this is B, so 36 times 3, and you get 108. So I'm going to double check and add those together, 72 and 108, and it should give me 180, so that can check that it's right. So angle A right here is 72, angle B right here is 108, and x we solved was 36. All right, so 28 is also similar to your extended response, except this time we have a complementary angle. So angle A is 6x, angle B is 3x, and they're complementary. Complementary, remember that equals 90. So you do the same thing, we add these, and you get 9x equals 90. And you divide it by 9, so x equals 10. And then you go back in and do the same thing that we did before. If we've got 6x, so we do 6 times 10, and we get 60. And for 3x, we do 3 times 10, and you get 30. And if you did it right, it should equal 90, and it does. And 6x, it says, was angle A, and 3x, it says, was angle B. So you got all three answers. X is 10, A is 60, and B is 30.